Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs. Welcome to the official Ultraman shop Ultraman World M78. The official Ultraman shop Ultraman World M78 is a specialty store for Ultraman goods, filled with Ultra Hero goods beloved by all Ultraman series fans for 3 generations. We also offer a wide variety of toys, miscellaneous goods, daily necessities, apparel and lunch-related goods, food products, limited edition items, and collector's items. It's a place where adults, children, and women can all have fun. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Located on the huge commercial facility Canal City, Fukuoka, Festa is a store packed full of fun attractions and delicious food. The shop was recently refurbished and reopened for business on Saturday, the 3rd of March 2018. Festa's concept is enjoy a fun experience like nowhere else. In order to deliver on this promise, the shop offers a wide range of stock including local goods, Japanese products, as well as anime-related characters and merchandise. With so much to choose from, there is sure to be something for every kind of shopper. A lot of overseas tourists visit Canal City, Fukuoka. Festa is an awesome place to get a feel for Japanese culture. Various patchwork patterns made from different types of materials have been used to decorate the ceiling and floor. Please like, share and subscribe. A great deal of time and effort has gone into creating what can only be described as a delightful interior. We got to visit and take a look around the newly renovated store. We went along and discovered some awesome products on the Festa shelves. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Canal City, Fukuoka is a large shopping and entertainment complex, calling itself a city within the city. Attractions include about 250 shops, cafes and restaurants, a theatre, cinemas, the Grand Hyatt Fukuoka and a canal running through the complex. Visitors who are planning on shopping will likely be able to find something of interest in one of Canal City's many stores, whether it be in a shop unique to Japan or a branch of an international company. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Canal City has been designed to create a spacious and interesting atmosphere with creative and unique colors and shapes. The artificial canal runs right through the middle of the 5-floored entertainment complex, creating a lot of open space. At the center of the canal there is a fountain with water shows every 30 minutes from 10 o'clock until 22 o'clock. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.